Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking compatibility and making the connection. Make sure your TV supports Miracast, Chromecast built-in, or that you have an HDMI cable ready. Once both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, open the PC's display or casting settings. You'll select the TV from the available devices list. If using HDMI, plug in and select the HDMI input on the TV. This gets you past prerequisites and into the first actionable step of selecting the correct output. You now initiate and fine-tune the connection. For Windows, open Action Center, choose Project, then connect to a wireless display and pick your TV. For Chrome, use the browser's Cast option and select Cast Tab or Cast Desktop if you want the whole screen. If using HDMI, press Windows+P and choose Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen only depending on your needs. Once connected, adjust resolution and audio output so the picture and sound match your TV's capabilities. You finish by confirming audio, resolution, and stability. Make sure the TV is chosen as the PC's output device in sound settings so audio follows the picture. Adjust resolution to match the TV for sharp display. If things go wrong, restart both devices and your router, update graphics drivers and TV firmware, and swap HDMI cables or ports. If wireless fails, switch to wired HDMI to isolate network issues. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.